We are open 6 days a week, and we always provide staff food for our staff, lunch and dinner. So twice a week, it's vegetarian. One of the days is vegan, which is actually today. And what we're trying to do is just normalise vegetarian, vegan food. It's not out of the ordinary. It's not something, it's a special occasion. There's nothing peculiar or unusual about having a plate of vegetables or a plant-based meal. So that's the initiative that we're taking, just to set an example to our staff, and hopefully that will have ripple effects with our customer base and our suppliers. And once people understand that we're doing, hopefully they'll take up initiative like that as well.
I'm Michael Smith. I'm the chef de cuisine here at Arcane. The dish is roasted butternut squash wrapped in daikon, served with edamame, sweet soy and balsamic dressing. We blanch our daikon, so that's just in and out of water. The butternut squash, we do roast it, but then the dish is cold. So in terms of plating it up at home, like everything could be prepared in advance. Dressings are quite simple. We base off a 4:1 vinegar to oil. When we start dressing this plate, we begin with layering the daikon underneath. Next on the plate, a few dots of the sweet soy and balsamic dressing. Once that's on, we season with a little of pink Tasmanian pepperberry salt. We then dress with edamame and diced purple and red Japanese radishes.